Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Vivo V15 Pro with Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. And find out the best one. V15 Pro has 6.6-inch screen, with 388 pixels per inch. While previous A9 has 6.3-inch screen, with 393 pixels per inch. The upcoming V15 has an improved camera setup, with huge 32 megapixels front camera, and 48, 8 and 5 megapixels rear camera. While A9 has 24 megapixels selfie camera, and huge quad 24, 8, 10 and 5 megapixels rear camera setup. Vivo V15 Pro will be available in 6 and 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage options. While Galaxy A9 is available in 6 and 8 GB RAM with 64 and 128 GB storage options. And yes, do not worry, you can add extra storage in both smartphones. V15 has Snapdragon 675 chipset, with 2.0 Octa Core processor. While A9 has Snapdragon 660 chipset with 2.2 Octa Core processor. V15 is equipped with 3700 mAh battery. While previous A9 has 3800 mAh battery. V15 Pro will be available in $450, and A9 is available in $680. Both smartphones have good screen protection, and V15 Pro will operate under Android Pie, while Galaxy A9 is operating under old Android Oreo. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust IP protection. You cannot use V15 to pay any kind of bills, because V15 do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless, while they support fast charging options. For security, both smartphones are equipped with fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. Vivo V15 Pro is available in blue color. However, no other colors are known until now. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.